Hello everyone! Welcome back to Toy Time! Today we're gonna create a new adventure with the Incredibles family. Jack needs to have his nose cleaned with a Q-tip. Here it is, but he doesn't like it, so I wonder what's gonna happen. Okay, so here is Mommy Elastigirl. She's gonna have a very tough time making sure that Jack is all clean. Hurry up and subscribe to our channel to watch many more adventures with the Incredible family. So are you guys ready for the adventure? Alright, so here we go. Hey baby Jack, there you are. Mama was looking for you. It's almost time for your baby bath. But first, Mommy needs to clean your cute button nose. Come over here. I got some Q-tips. Here they are. I know you do not like when Mommy cleans your nose, but here we go. Let's see. Come over here. Time to clean your cute little nose. Meow. Come on, Jack. Mommy needs to help you. Come over here. Meow. One more time, Jack. Mommy's going to ask you. Come close to the Q-tip. Meow. I said no. I said no. Na, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Ha, I'm gonna run. Ha, Mama cannot catch me, Mama cannot catch me. Oh no, there's a fire in the living room. I have to get my fire extinguisher. Come on, Jack, stop running. It's almost time for your bubble bath. Come on, Jack. Mommy has to get you now. Where are you? I'm gonna find you, Jack. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Jack, where are you? Mama's gonna get you. Come on, baby. Time for your bubble bath. There you are. I got you. Oh no, but you are so heavy, I cannot pick you up. Come on, Jack. Time for your bath. Come on. Okay, I got you, baby. But you're so heavy that I can barely bring you to the bathtub. Come on, baby. Time to go. Let's go. You're gonna feel much better after you take your bubble bath. Okay, almost there, Jack. You're doing great. Almost time for your bubble bath. Here we go. I don't want a bubble bath. No bubble bath for Jack. I'm gonna rust. Mommy, you forgot? I cannot go in the water. Get me out of here. No. I want to come out of this bathtub. Mommy, I'm getting angry. I'm getting mad. I'm going to throw a tantrum.
Get me out of here, Mama. I want to come out of the bathtub. This is not cool.
I think I'll add some calming bubbles to soothe Jack. He gets so happy when I add bubbles to his bath. Here we go, just a little bit. Let's see what happens.
I don't need a new diaper. I don't need a new bottle. Wait a minute. Mama, did you just put bubbles in the bubble bath? Oh, this is so cool. This is so soothing. I don't want to throw a tantrum no more, Mommy. I feel so much better now. I love my bubble bath. I love the bubbles. This is so much fun. How did you guys like the bubble bath video? If you guys liked my video, please hurry up and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to see more adventures with the Incredible family, leave us a comment. That's right, Jack.
If you guys want to see more adventures, please leave us a comment. Also, share our video, subscribe to our channel, and give us a thumbs up. So I'll see you guys on our next adventure. Thanks for watching. Toy Toy Time. Subscribe.